Okay guys, I'm here with the one and only Alan the Bull Fernandez, a legendary Hall of Famer MMA professional fighter. He happens to also be my guru, and not just my guru. Almost every single top MMA fighter in the country has once trained under Alan. How you doing, Alan?
I'm good.
Thank you so much for being here. And another big congratulations. He's finally got his...